The moment it happens, the room goes silent. You see the look on your child's face. You hear the echo of your own voice. And immediately, the wave of guilt crashes over you. You think, I've ruined it. I've damaged their confidence. I am not the mother I promised I would be. Mama, take a deep breath. I need you to hear this, you have not broken your child. In the world of social media, we are sold an image of the perfect mother. She is always calm. She speaks in a soft whisper. She never loses her cool. But that mother does not exist. Psychologists have a term called the good enough mother. Research shows that you do not need to be attuned to your child 100% of the time to build a secure attachment. In fact, trying to be perfect can actually be confusing for a child because it hides the reality of human emotions. Occasional yelling does not erase 1,000 moments of love. Your child does not need a mother who never gets angry. They need a mother who is real. Think about it this way, when you lose your temper, you are teaching your child a valuable lesson that everyone, even the people we love the most, can get overwhelmed. Emotions are big and messy. What matters isn't the rupture, the yelling. What matters is the repair. When you calm down, you go back. You get on their level. You say, I'm sorry I yelled. I was feeling frustrated. It wasn't your fault. I am working on staying calm. In that moment, you are not damaging them. You are teaching them humility. You are modeling how to apologize. You are showing them that love is stronger than anger. A secure attachment isn't a fragile glass vase that shatters with one loud voice. It is a strong, flexible rope. It can stretch, it can get tangled, but it holds. So, please, let go of the shame. One bad afternoon does not define your motherhood. You are safe. You are loved. And you are doing a great job.